Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Moen Smart Water Shutoff with Moen app, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have all the necessary tools and materials ready for installation. Locate the main water shutoff valve in your home. Turn off the main water supply to prevent leaks during installation. Use a wrench to disconnect the existing water line from the shutoff valve. Position the Moen Smart Water Shutoff device at the main water line. Securely attach the Moen device according to the installation instructions provided. Ensure all connections are tight to prevent any water leaks. Turn the main water supply back on slowly to check for leaks. Open the Moen app on your smartphone. Follow the app's setup instructions to create an account or log in. Use the app to pair your Moen Smart Water Shutoff with your home Wi-Fi network. Select the device in the app and follow the prompts to complete setup. Adjust your device settings as needed for monitoring and notifications. Test the system by simulating a leak through the app. Make sure you receive alerts on your smartphone. Familiarize yourself with the app's features for water usage monitoring. That concludes the installation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.